Before we talk about extensions and ILRs, there's probably one thing we should talk about is maybe like pro tips. If an application for a sole representative visa is refused, on what basis are they going to refuse? 9 times out of 10, if a visa is refused, it's because of an interview. Now, there isn't a guarantee that as an applicant, you're going to be interviewed. The Home Office have the right to request an interview. A lot of applications that are refused because the applicant didn't do well in that interview. Gone are the days where you can just read the business plan and be ready for the interview. The Home Office have become a little bit more business savvy than before. So a lot of the interviews now is about a test of have you read the business plan? The test is more to do with, do you actually understand the business plan? So in my experience nowadays, what I insist that all clients do is you don't just sit there and wait for your lawyers to work with the business plan writers to prepare the business plan. You as an applicant need to be involved in the business plan. And that's for 2 key reasons. Reason number 1 is you don't want to rely on someone else to tell you what to do to make money. You're going to want to be satisfied yourself that the strategy in the business plan is one which will make you money, because obviously that's important. You don't want to be running a company that's forever making a loss necessarily. Number 2 as well is you need to understand the whys. Why does the business plan say what it says? And unless you play a very hands-on role in the business plan, especially the market research and the data collection stage of the business plan, you're not going to understand that. And if you get called for an interview, it's going to be very clear that you don't understand the business plan nuances and reasons behind it. And that is almost a recipe for disaster. That's a guaranteed refusal. So you need, as an applicant, to play a very hands-on role in the drafting of the business plan. So please, 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 for the love of God, be involved in the business plan. All right.